You have seen a few YouTubers use black mulch paint. Now, because of where I live, I don't use black mulch because it would just look like dirt. It would blend into the background. You wouldn't even know that it's mulch. So my personal choice is the red mulch. Now what I'm going to do today is actually spray it with mulch paint because I want to save some money because there's a few things I might want to buy later in the year. So instead of buying a whole bunch of mulch, spreading it out, I'm going to test out the mulch paint. Let's just see how it works. Let's get started. Of course, my first task is cleaning up empty beer cans, a whole bunch of leaves, a few weeds, and anything else that might be lying around, sticks, etc., before I start spraying the red dye onto the mulch beds. So we're getting it cleaned up, then we start. Now, it does say that this bottle will cover 2,500 square feet. Mulch works. I bought it off Amazon. It says to use 2 to 5 ounces of product per gallon of water. I'm going to use 4 gallons of water, and I think I'm covering roughly 500 square feet. So we're going to go do my mulch beds. I'm going to go mix this up in the tank, and we'll just start spraying. See if it actually works. One quick note, do not use a shitty backpack sprayer like that because that Chapin's leaked all over my back like it usually does. But I'm not using my good one, the Petra Tools HD 4000. That stuff works. I still have half of a bottle left. I'm definitely going to be using it again. It looks like new mulch. It's just the old stuff painted. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.